Good morning. Welcome to Fabrics World. Today we discuss about chapter 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. Every day in the morning after getting up from the bed, what you do? If you are a student, you go to school. When you go to school, you have to wear the uniform. Say your uniform is white shirt and blue pant. And if you want to have the white shirt and blue pant, you go to your clothes showroom and ask the salesperson to show you the white shirt and white cloth and blue cloth. Then what happened? They will show you many varieties of white clothes in front of you. And you get confused. All looks like white. Which one you have to choose? And the question comes that why are they showing many varieties of whites? Because those fabrics are of different type. Maybe one white cloth is of cotton type. One white cloth is a polyester type. One white cloth may be a terracotta type. Similarly, the pants also. If you are an adult, you have to, if you are an employee, you have to go to a company or an MNC. Then you have to wear a formal wear. Sometimes you have to wear informal wear. So based on the situations, you have to change your dress. Then you have to have many varieties of dresses. Many varieties of dresses means the dresses should have many varieties of fabrics. If you go to a women's wear showroom, the salesperson will show you many varieties of women's wear, as well as they will show you many saris, varieties of saris, like silk sari, cotton sari, fabric sari, bleeding saris, blending saris. So many varieties of saris they will show you. The question is, of course, today we have no doubt many varieties of clothes, very fashionable dresses we are getting available in the market. But how they are actually creating all these types of fabrics? Are these fabrics are naturally created or they are creating artificially? So to understand more about these fabrics and their types, let us start the class. In your lower classes, you learned about fibers, natural fibers. And the natural fibers are cotton, silk and wool. Because why they are called natural fibers? Because they are coming from either from plants or from animals. Thus these are called natural fibers. But you have another type also. That we can say artificial fiber, but it has got another name, and that name is synthetic fiber. And this is the category of discussion in today's class. Synthetic fibers, they are not created from the plants. They are not coming from the animals. They are artificially created. For example, polyester, nylon, rayon, acrylic, terracotta, terrywool, all this comes under synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers not only used for making the clothes, it has got very wide applications in the industry. Using these fibers, you can create household materials also, household articles also. Now, how a synthetic fiber is look when in this type of varieties? To understand more about how it look, let me give you an example, and from there we will move further to understand synthetic fiber. You have a bead necklace like this. This is a number of beads, and these beads are connected to each other and form a perfect pattern. and looks like a necklace. Now take paper clips. You just attach two paper clips together. Now keep on attach the paper clips together. So when you are attaching the paper clips together, then what you get a pattern. A pattern which is having a similar type of paper clips, or a pattern where you have, wherever you see the same paper clip repeated, and this paper clip is called a unit. So here the units are repeating and creating a structure. Similarly, here also the beads are units. So this is bead, necklace. This is paper clip, structure. Both have the similarities. The similarity is unit is repeating. Here also unit is repeating. Here the unit is bead, here the unit is paper clip. And with the repetition of units, you are getting the structures. Similar fashion in synthetic fibers also. All these type of fibers, inside the fibers, the components are arranged in this way. Synthetic fibers comes from the products of petroleum. I told earlier, they are not coming from plants or animals. They are coming from the products of petroleum. So, in those products of petroleum, the small chemical elements form as units, and they are repeated in a regular fashion and create a structures like this. And each unit of chemical element in synthetic fiber is called monomer. Mono means single. So each unit is called monomer. Now all these monomers are attached with each other like this and form a big pattern, and that pattern is called polymer. See, the word itself tells the meaning of that. Poly means many. In mathematics, you heard a word like polygon. Polygon means it's a structure having many number of sides. So when monomers are arranged together, you will get polymer. So synthetic fiber is a polymer structure. Now we understand that what is synthetic fiber and what is natural fiber. Now, how would you identify whether a fabric is made by synthetic fiber, or the varieties of synthetic fiber earlier discussed are made by natural fiber? And if you want to identify it, do this test, burning test. But careful, don't burn the whole cloth. I am asking you to burn the thread taken from the cloth, or the thread is also called yarn. So take yarn, like 1 meter or 1.5 meter yarn, you take yarn, or you can say thread, take it from the cloth. Different fibers, like from cotton, silk, wool, nylon, acrylic, etc., rayon, etc. Now what to do? Take the yarn from the cotton cloth and burn it. Similarly, do the burning from the yarn taken from silk, wool, nylon, acrylic.